Open the sample bay, the TCR door, and the right canopy door. Remove the advanced cleaning solution from its holder, recap it, and place it on a clean surface. Remove the sample shield and decontaminate it separately as explained in the weekly maintenance chapter. Clean the sample door, the sample bay interior, and the right separator canopy by wiping down the surfaces with a wipe moistened with a 0.5 to 0.7% sodium hypochlorite solution. Be careful not to get bleach on the scanner slot. Continue cleaning the bottle adapters of the TCR carousel. You can rotate the carousel to better access all adapters as necessary. Finally, clean the cleaning solution adapter and the interior side of the TCR door and right canopy. Do not forget to change your gloves after handling bleach and wait for 15 minutes for proper decontamination. Rinse all decontaminated surfaces with a wipe moistened with DI water. Dry the surfaces with a clean wipe. Place a decontaminated and dried sample shield onto the guide pins, as explained in the weekly maintenance chapter. Place the uncapped bottle of advanced cleaning solution back into its holder. Close the canopy, the TCR door, and the sample bay door. Select Next on the screen to advance to the next step of the maintenance.